Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't see a Thursday morning, so bless up everybody. Watch over upon the road. All of the kids them gone back out, safe travel. I beg everybody just smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll get into the updates real quick. So people, Skillibeng spends a boss day baby with his son for his 25th birthday, and the boss get a new BMW as well. And you can check out the video I did yesterday about that. Ishawna inks a new deal with recording label company in New York. Skeng is set to return to court today, and Skeng is also working on Protocol with Tamale. That's the sequel to Protocol. So Skeng is actually in Mobile and he's rolling around people. So we have the updates here for you, and we're going to jump in it real quick. Thank you, Jamaican Chat. People, so what going right here now is Skeng their flankers, and them do the whole sequel to Protocol where him do with Tamale. And right now Skeng fans and Tamale fans, they're at the edge of their seats, everybody, because everybody will want to see what's to come of this sequel here, because let's not forget Protocol is the biggest song Skeng ever do. Biggest song Skeng ever do. It have over 37 million views on YouTube, and it also got international praises from people like Nicki Minaj and so on. Right, so everybody is actually at the edge of their seats anticipating what's gonna happen with this sequel here. And you don't know it's gonna be a big thing. Tamale did first introduce it over upon him IG page, people, and then see it here into works right now. So big up yourself, Skeng, big up yourself, Tamale, if you do the behind bars right now. And we know that this thing got shot. Alright people, and it take me into the next update that is available right now, and that is Skeng going to court. So you don't know the thing, people. We're gonna keep you updated. Skeng was charged for disorderly conduct a few months ago. That was back in May, right? And in the court like a month after that in June, and he plead not guilty and all of that. So after pleading not guilty, there's trial. So today are the trial, people. You understand? And then hopefully it not really go too far. Maybe them just offer him a one fine and him pay that, because you know the artists have money, so we just pay that and get you in a life. So yeah, and people may not really say whatever because you don't know any charge is a serious charge, but he's a young artist, and you see me, him carried upon the brink right now, upon the rise. So let's not do anything for fight these people. You understand? So when him got a quote today, judge, if you not listen to this, just give the G a break. You understand? Alright, and this is gonna move me over to the next update, people, where you can say Ishawna Inc. international deal with a big recording label, people. So people, Ishawna signed a new record deal with a recording label based in based in New York, people. New York. So you don't know New Kingston, there, Jamaica. So New York, people. And she also posted pics on her IG to share her celebrating her achievement, and she and Scatter Burrell was there, and also the owner for Payday Records. You understand? You can see the photos right there, and she enjoying herself. A little snippet as well, a little video. You can see it run across the screen. So big up yourself, Ishawna. And yeah, she posted on her IG page, signed, seal, and ready to deliver. So yeah, Ishawna, you never really let we down apart from the whole equal rights thing, but big up yourself on a new deal here where you sign. You understand? Alright, people, and you don't see that I go on with Ishawna. I'm gonna move over to the final, not the least update to have for the people them though, and this is Skillibeng. Big up yourself, my boss. The man about the 25th birthday, and him celebrate it like a boss. Him and him look a youth, and you can see so the G get new Bima as well. Everybody can go check out that video that I post yesterday. He got a new BMW X6 and modifications by Skeng Lifestyle. Alright, people, so you don't know this are the updates I'm gonna have for you today, and I know you feel like say Skeng I go bust off that case there today in a court. You feel like say Skillibeng everybody can see same happy, but when I feel like say this is the new Skillibeng in terms of the father figure there and all of that. And tell me how you feel about the new deal with Ishawna signed. Cause you know say nowadays she did in the media a lot, especially the remix what she do with Ed Sheeran song and all of that. So it look like it appear of people. Alright. And people, here is where I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the morning. So I beg everybody just big up themselves. And I beg gonna just bust a like, bust a share, bust a subscribe on the channel here, everybody. Big up on yourself, Jamaican chat. We're out.